When a customer asks for aggressive brake pads, that word can mean a lot of different things. For some, it means sharper stops on the freeway. For others, it's confidence on twisty roads, extra control while towing, or simply a firmer brake pedal that feels more responsive. The challenge is that aggressive or high performance in racing are marketing terms, and they don't always match what the customer actually needs. Let's go over some questions you should ask customers who say they want aggressive brake pads next. The secret to selling the right brake pad isn't starting with the product. It's starting with asking the customer the right questions. The first question to ask is simple. What do you like or dislike about your current brakes? A long stop, soft pedal, or inconsistent feel might not be a pad issue at all. Hydraulic problems, calipers, or even the master cylinder can create symptoms that customers often blame on brake pads. Next, find out when the brakes were last serviced. If the customer can't remember, jumping straight to a high-performance pad may not be the best move. In many cases, a premium replacement pad can restore like new braking feel before stepping into something more aggressive. Then ask the most important question. What do you expect an aggressive brake pad to do? Many customers already have expectations shaped by ads, forums, or articles. That upsell has already happened. You're just helping guide it in the right direction. Once you know what they want, shift to what they actually need. Ask how the vehicle is driven day to day. Is it mostly highway miles, twisty roads, stop-and-go traffic, towing or hauling? These answers tell you how often the brakes are used hard and whether they're typically cold or operating at high temperatures. Finally, set expectations. Ask about brake noise, dust, pedal feel, and pad life. This step protects both you and the customer by preventing misunderstandings and comebacks. Only after that conversation should you recommend a brake pad. Sometimes the customer has a brake in mind, other times they'll just trust your judgment. Either way, this is where research matters and where you sort real performance knowledge from marketing claims. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.